The no remote detected error on 2019-2022 Chevy Silverados occurs when the key fob's battery dies, preventing the truck from recognizing it. This affects keyless entry and push-button start systems. This happens when the key fob's CR2032 battery is dead, disrupting the signal that allows keyless entry and starting. The bypass allows you to start the vehicle despite the dead fob by using the hidden mechanical key within the fob. Locate the key slot, typically found under a rubber cover in the center console cup holder area or near the shifter. Insert the mechanical key, press the brake pedal, and then the engine start button. Replace the fob battery to restore full functionality. This is a temporary fix. Driving with a dead fob can prevent remote locking/unlocking. If the bypass fails, it may indicate a software glitch or hardware fault that requires a dealer reset. This happens when the vehicle's systems don't recognize the key fob properly. General Motors has released over-the-air software updates to improve key fob detection sensitivity. While this helps many vehicles, the issue persists in some cases. Preventative maintenance, like monthly battery checks, can significantly reduce the occurrence of these incidents. Regularly testing the key fob battery ensures reliable operation. The automotive industry is shifting towards digital keys and smartphone integration for more convenient access. Newer Silverado models are already incorporating these digital key features. Future technologies like ultra-wideband and biometric entry systems may completely eliminate the need for physical key fobs in vehicles. For 2019 through 2022 Silverado models, environmental factors like extreme cold weather can still exacerbate key fob battery issues and detection problems.